This is my response for CCR number 1. How does your product use or challenge conventions, and how does it represent social groups or issues? My magazine gives recipes and ingredients like most food magazines out there. I use similar conventions as these other magazines. For example, my cover is pretty simple, and I didn't really do much out of the norm. One difference is that when I looked at other popular baking magazines, the central image was very extravagant and looked like a whole production. My central image, on the other hand, was more simplistic, but I like the fact that it's more simple. It fits into my title of comfort. I wanted it to look like something anyone could do and be comfortable doing. With the table of contents and spread page, I noticed how other popular magazines took up one full side on one side and put text on the other. I used similar conventions but in a different way. I did not want to put a full picture on one side and text on the other. To me, this makes the spread seem more empty, and I want my magazine to be different from that, more personal and more intimate. In my table of contents and spread page, I did not want the images to overpower the text. In each one, there is a good amount of picture, but also enough text to back it up in a way where it does not look empty. One way my magazine represents a social group is with one of the articles in my table of contents. One article is called Haitian Baked Good. My parents immigrated from the US from Haiti, so this article represents a social group that I come from. The different desserts I had growing up are not able to be shared with people who want to try something different. It allows me to share part of my culture with those who read this magazine and want to try something out of the box.